Show that tangent of t is an odd function. To show that a function is odd, we would plug in negative value for the input, and we hope that the final answer will be negative of the function with a positive input. To do that, we will use the definition of tangent, which is sine over cosine. The input is the same. But we know that sine is an odd function, so sine of negative t is negative of sine of t. We also know that cosine is an even function, so cosine of negative t is positive cosine of positive t. Replacing those, we have negative sine of t in the numerator because sine of t is an odd function. We have cosine of t in the denominator because cosine of t is an even function. But sine of t over cosine of t, by the definition, is tangent of t. And so we end up with negative tangent of t. What we did here is that we plug in negative t into the function's tangent, and we arrived at negative tangent of t. This shows that tangent of t is odd. Show that the function secant of t is even. To show that the function is even, we plugged in the negative input, and we hope that the result will be secant, a positive input. But secant, by the definition, is the reciprocal of cosine, so we rewrite secant of negative t as 1 over cosine of the same input, negative t. But cosine is an even function, so in the denominator, cosine of negative t is cosine of t. By the definition, 1 over cosine of t is secant. Since we show that secant of negative t is secant of t, this shows that secant is an even function.